Hello kids, today we are going to see a phonics story for the letter B that comes with the sound B. B. Bugsy paints a bus. Bugsy paints a bus. Bugsy the bee wants to paint today. She gets a big brush and her box of paint. I will paint a bus, says Bugsy. She puts a blob of black and a blob of orange paint on paper. This is brown, she says. Now I can paint a big brown bus. Bup, 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 bup. Big brown bus. What are the B sounds that you can find in the picture? B, B, black. B, B, bee. B, B, brush. B, B, box. B, B, blob. B, B, black. B, B, Bugsy. B, B, brown. B, B, big. B, B, bus. Bugsy paints a brown bus. She wonders who will travel in the big brown bus. I know, says Bugsy. I will take my friends Boo the butterfly and Binku the bluebird to the market. We will buy some bread and butter for breakfast. What are the words that starts with B sounds in this page? Bugsy, big brown bus, Boo, butterfly, Binku, bluebird, bread, butter and breakfast. Boo sits in between Binku and Bugsy. They all sing together. We are going to the market in a big brown bus to buy some breads and butter for breakfast. Bup, 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 bup. We are going to the market in a big brown bus to buy some breads and butter for breakfast. Bup, 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 bup. Bugsy's a busy bee. She paints a big bus happily. Bugsy bus is big and brown. She takes a brown bus into town. We need some butter and some bread. That's what Bugsy said. Bugsy's a busy bee. She paints a big bus happily. Bugsy's bus is big and brown. She takes her brown bus into town. We need some butter and some bread. That's what Bugsy said. Can you find the brown bus in the picture? Who are all traveling in the bus? And who is driving the bus? Thank you for watching. To view the other phonics stories, visit our channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.